Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Moles to atoms. How to find the number of atoms when given moles? Correct answer is to find the number of atoms when given moles, use Avogadro number. Multiply the given number of moles by Avogadro's number 6 times 022 multiply 1023 to calculate the number of atoms. This conversion factor allows you to transition from the macroscopic scale of moles to the microscopic scale of atoms. Remember that Avogadro's number represents the number of atoms in 1 mole of any substance, making it a critical constant in chemistry calculations. Happy calculating!
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.